Divisha, come 4 steps forward. One more step forward. What is the answer?
5.
Come 3 steps forward. Come one more step forward. What is the answer? Namashvi, come 1 step forward. One more step forward. What is the answer?
2.
Ishanshi, come 1 step forward. 2 more step forward. What is the answer?
3.
Divyansh, come 3 steps forward. 1 more step forward. What is the answer?
4.
Ayansh, come 2 steps forward. Come 1 more step forward. What is the answer?
3.
Riyansh, come 1 step forward. 1 more step. What is the answer?
2.
Arav, come 4 steps forward. Come 1 more step. What is the answer?
5.
Parth, come 2 steps forward. Come 1 more. What is the answer?
3.
Come 3 more steps forward. Come 1 more. What is the answer?
4.
Spruha, come 3 steps forward. Come 2 more steps forward. What is the answer?
5.
Lavya, comes 2 more steps forward. Come 1 more. What is the answer?
3.
Good. Come 4 steps forward. Come 1 more. What is the answer?
5.
Shubham, come 2 steps forward. Come 3 more. What is the answer?
5.
Good. Yagnesh, come 4 steps forward. Come 1 more step forward. What is the answer?
5.
Ayan, come 1 step forward. Come 3 more steps. What is the answer?
4.
Come 3 steps forward. Come 2 more. What is the answer?
5.
Come 1 step forward. Come 2 more.
2.
What is the answer?
3.
Good. Bhavesh, come 2 steps forward. Come 2 more. What is the answer?
4.
Okay, Ayush, come 3 steps forward. Come 1 more step forward. Now what is the answer?